It's a bit of a fangirl day today because I have my favourite, Gabrielle Gatte, in the kitchen. I love your food. I've learnt so much off you over the years. TV for 45 years, incredible.
Yes, and it is 45 years of pleasure to be able to share with the viewers recipes that people can prepare at home. You know, it's all based on fresh ingredients. And today, I am actually going to make a fruity dessert. So what we need is a selection of berries. And we are going to cover that with a sabayon mixed with cream. And for a sabayon, we have here, I've got 2 egg yolks that are mixed with a little bit of sugar.
Sure.
So you mix it well. You always mix sugar and egg yolks quickly. And then I'm going to put that over bain-marie here to really incorporate some air, and it will increase in volume. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? If you are using strawberries in this dish, like you are doing, of course, you have washed them first, and then what you do, you cut them in half, okay? Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, whatever you use, just leave them whole, okay? I never wash. Personally, I don't wash raspberries. I don't like to wash them.
It just loses some of the flavour and it almost absorbs the water.
Yeah, I wash blueberries because there's a skin, okay?
Yes.
Well, now this is has increased in volume. It is looking smooth. It's really delicate. We are going to flavour that now with some liqueur, okay? Whatever you want. You can put brandy, but I like to use an orange liqueur, and I think Cointreau or Grand Marnier is good. Not much. And that is really going to make a magic touch.
I think it's those little subtle touches
Yeah.
that creates a very simple dish into something very elegant and refined, and you have a taste of it. And there's something extra special
There's
there.
a signature. There's that magic little ingredients. Now, to that, we need to fold in a cup and a half of cream, all right?
Okay, so little by little?
No, you can put it all in one
whole
go,
lot?
and then, yes, you can just stir it. What happens is that you want to keep the lightness. It's a gratin. It's a fruit gratin. It's a classic of Alsace in France, and that's why there's some liqueur in it.
Love that.
It's really lovely. So the fruits, you need to be covering the bottom of a tray, okay? Of a dish like that. A porcelain dish is always good.
Something that can go under the grill is what we're after.
Yes, absolutely. You can make some individual ones. So here we have, you can put as many figs or whatever. The choice is yours. And you sprinkle them just like that. One layer is good.
So pretty.
Yeah, and it is really a very luscious kind of dessert. And then a few blackberries. You don't want to have more than one layer because you want the fruit, when we put it under the grill, to slightly warm up. And so you fill the gaps like that. Like this is great. Those berries are so good. The final touch, it's very simple. It's just like that. Okay? And that you can see, you did such a good job in folding it. You need to be gentle. Now, I think it is, with cooking, I love looking at people like you in the kitchen that I enjoy watching cooking shows, but you need to be very gentle with the ingredients.
Of course. We need
So
them
you
to
see,
shine.
you just cover that. Justin, do you mind to sprinkle all of that with a little bit of icing sugar, and then we put that under the grill?
So I shouldn't walk off and do my nails or anything like that?
No.
Okay, I'll keep an eye on it.
Wow. You know, it's so delicious looking, isn't it?
It does, and I wish you could smell it. You can smell caramelization, and you can smell the berries and the figs. Beautiful.
It's a top dessert, so easy to prepare. You don't have to, but a little bit of icing sugar just to give it a final touch like that. And the proof of the pudding is in the tasting.
Look at that.
So it is very delicious. It's warm. It is superb. Do you want to have a taste?
Of course. All right. The thing is, what fruit do you start with? I'm actually wanting that little bit there with where it's gratinated slightly.
Yeah, a little bit of caramelization is always nice.
C'est trop bon, as we say in French. It's too good.
Very delicious.
It's fluffy, it's light. You know, if you like creme brulee and you want a lighter version, a faster version, I feel like you will like this because it's just gentle. It's all about the fruit that's just glued together with a fluffy sabayon and a hint of that Cointreau. Delicious.
Merci.